I am Anil Kumar and we'll further explore capacity of a rectangular base tank in this particular video. The question here is, capacity of a tank with rectangular base is 12 liters. Find possible dimensions of this tank. So I'd like you to pause the video, answer this question and then move forward. You can also look into my suggestion. Now, as we have suggested earlier, we'll try to write this capacity of 12 liters in terms of centimeter cube or meter cube or decimeter cube, right? So what we have here is 12 liters. Now 12 liters is same as 12,000 centimeter cube, right? So that is one unit in which you could write. 12 liters could also be written as 12 decimeter cube, right? So these are different ways of converting 12 liters into linear unit productions, so we know we can find easily now the dimensions. So that is the first step. So we'll have two different sets here. The first one, this is easier to work with when the capacity is 12 liters. As you know, 1 decimeter is 10 times centimeters. So when you multiply 3, you get 1000. So they are equivalent, right? Now, if we are looking for a volume of 12 decimeter cube, it means what? It means length times width times height should be 12 decimeter cube. So what are those possible combinations? So what we can do is we can make a table of values and find so many different combinations as we did earlier. So what we will do here is we can say length in decimeters, width in decimeters, and height in decimeters. So three numbers which when multiplied should give us 12. So those are our solutions. So the combination could be 4 times 3, right? 4 times 3 is 12, keeping this as 1. It could be 6 times 2, keeping this as 1, correct? Or you could just change this. You could say 4 here, 2 here, let's say 3 here, 12, and keep this as 1. So those could be different dimensions, and all these dimensions are in decimeters. So these are the possible dimensions of the tank in decimeters. Let us now find the dimensions in centimeters, right? So in centimeters, what we can do is we can convert our decimeters into centimeters. That is the first thing. Or what we will do here is we'll write length in centimeters. I mean centimeters. Let me write like this now. Width in centimeters, height in centimeters, right? We need 12,000, right? So it could be 120, right? 120 centimeters times 10, that will give me 100, and times 10. Do you understand? So 120 times 10 is 1200, times 10 will be 1000. So you could get dimensions like this, correct? Or you could just multiply these numbers by 10 each. You could say 40 times 30 times 10, right? So you get again 12,000 centimeter cube. So likewise, you can have many different values. So these are the combinations which will give you capacity of the tank as 12 liters, right? Key here is to write 12 liters in terms of centimeter cube or decimeter cube to get the answer. I hope that helps. Thank you.